Hey there, my name is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads. I was doing some research about some home remodeling, bathrooms, kitchens, garages, basements, and such. I came across your website and I shot you this little quick video, 5-6 minute video, just comparing your online presence to that of your competitors. If you can give me some feedback at the end, that'd be great, if the video was helpful or not, or informative. If you're interested in learning more at the end about how Christy's Leads can help you generate more clients and more conversions, please reach out via email, text, or phone. And if not, then no harm, no foul, no problem. Hopefully you can take some of the tips that I show you and use them yourself to help improve your online presence. So I'm going to go over 3 things today: content, citations, and backlinks. So we're going to start with content, and I have your web page up here. And you have a lot of great things about your web page. I love the color scheme. It looks great. You have some great background images. You have a call to action here, which makes it really easy for customers to see how to get in touch with you. You have your phone number here, some other call to action buttons, and looks like you have some great images. Images are also a part of the content. The way they are saved, if they're saved as relevant, unique keywords, it helps your rank on Google, believe it or not. So great images. Looks like you have some other great tools as well. We like to see generally your content to be about 1,500 words. So you're probably a little low on that. 1,500 words is the best amount to rank in the top spots for Google. You want those words that you're using to be keywords with high search volume, they're relevant, and they're unique to your niche. So I see you have some bold, bath remodels, bathtub. Those are words that people are searching for and that are relevant. So that's pretty much about content. I'll go on to citations. A citation is a business name, address, and phone number, and it's how many times it appears on online directories. Online directories are things like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, BuildZoom, anything that can list your business name, address, and phone number. That's great, because the more times it's listed on the web, the higher your rank goes on Google. So let me just show you something here. Just did a really quick search here for bath and shower remodeling in Bucks County, PA. So you have your ads here on Google. Ads are great. You know, they can usually get you a good amount of traffic. Of course, businesses are paying for them. And sometimes customers, they block ads now from their internet because they don't want to see them on the web page because there's so many of them. Other people don't. And then what you have here is called your map pack. And your map pack is where people click the most. It gives the location, nice handy click to the website, the name of the company, the location. Click on it, you get a phone number. This is where most of your clicks are made. Most of these people rank well in the map pack because they have a good number of citations. What we do is we use a program called Ahrefs, looks up your competitors' citations, goes out and gets all of them and then more. So if your competitor has 500 citations, we like to get 600 citations. Within 30 to 60 days, things like that can help build your website up to this ranking in the Google Map Pack. You also have to do some things to ask Google to be in there as well to rank. If you haven't done so, I would try to do that, just because it does really give you really good leads, as opposed to leads that maybe don't follow through with business. So I just took one of your top competitors here, and I'm going to move on to backlinks here. A backlink is another website that links back to yours, and there's something called referring domains as well. So we took a look at you guys, and we have you guys, Bathmax here. So you have 611 backlinks, which is great, and you have 20 referring domains, which means that there's 20 different domains, internet sites that link back to your website. With that, you're getting 19 organic traffic. So 19 people are coming to your web page a month due to organically. So they're not coming because of an ad or such. I just took one of your competitors here. Now your competitor, this guy, Ryan Reed, looks like he was top. He was right underneath the map pack and came up right underneath it, which is also, you want to be in one of these top 3 spots for sure. These people are getting the most clicks on the internet. So Ryan Reed has 486 referring domains with 581 backlinks. So although you have more backlinks, he has way more referring domains, which is broadening his scope on the web. Therefore, he's getting way more organic traffic than you. He's getting 255 people to come to his webpage a month, whereas again, you're getting 19. So he's getting a lot more traffic than you guys. He's also ranking for more keywords, 352. He's ranking for those keywords organically, and you're at 168. So that means that people type in bathroom remodel or any kind of keyword as such, and it's popping up. More of those words are popping up for him than they are for you guys. So this was just a little overview. Hopefully it was helpful. If you could give me some feedback, again, that would be great. If you're interested in learning more about us, we can go to a strategy session. Please reach out via phone call, text, or email. That'd be great. And if not, again, no harm, no foul. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great day.